Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ACER P10 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To add event to your calendar, in the first step you must open settings application calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add our event. Maybe we choose 2 of January and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add the title of your event. In this part we can access this event about what is it or add it to our group, about our family, work and something like that. There we can set it will be all day event by switch on, or we can set in which time event starts and finish. Repeat of that if we need it, and we can make custom repeat. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that, notification to our event, and you can add more than one notification. There we can change color about notification to this event, description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save. And that's all, we have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!